Hi again everybody, this is another video of a Raku video. So here is a video clip of showing how you can actually see the glaze on the pot, the Raku glaze on the pot melting as I'm putting the burner straight on the surface. I'm actually burning the pot on the electric kiln, but the electric kiln is the power is not strong enough to melt the glaze. So I'm helping it with another external burner, gas burner from the outside. So here I'm removing the pot that's already has the glaze melted from the kiln and putting it in a container that has pieces of paper on it to create a heavy post reduction that will react with the glaze, the Raku glaze that has a lot of copper in it, to make it lustrous like metal, shines like a metal. So you're letting it burn the paper, and then I'm gonna add more paper to it shortly. Some people would take it out from the kiln and kind of wave it around in the air, or even use a air compressor to blow air into the surface. That would create usually bigger cracks on it, and then as you put it in the can and let it sit, it will have some of the bigger black line cracks in it as well. In this other pot, we're doing hair Raku. Okay, so with hair Raku, the temperature of the pot has to be just right. If it's too hot, the hair that you put on it will just burn off. If it's too cold, it doesn't really want to stick on the pot, so you just kind of slide off without leaving any burn marks on the surface of the pot or in the inside of the pot. So it's a good thing to have a torch ready, so you can kind of control if it gets too it's already starting to get too cool. You can heat it up again with a torch, and yeah, so that kind of, and you can kind of draw with the hair also on the surface when it's on the right temperature. So it needs to be hot enough while the pores of the pot is open to receive the carbon burning from the hair and seal it into the surface completely. And with our experimentation, it works with without glaze and with glaze, so you can actually do the hair on a glaze Raku pot also, right? Like in that case just now. So it has been in the can for about 15-20 minutes in the post reduction, and now we put it inside the bucket to cool it down fast, and you can see the result of the lustrous surface from very heavy copper glaze Raku pot. This is the horsehair one. It has also been put in the can, so after the hair treatment, we put it in the can to burn with the paper as well. And now it's soaking in the water to cool it down quickly, and you can see the result. Some of the hair didn't stay, but most of it did. Okay, so that's the video showing two types of Raku. One is copper and the other one is a hair Raku. Okay.